welcome back to my channel. Today I am really happy to have you here. We are going to make the most amazing keto fat bombs ever. This is not my personal recipe, this is my friend recipe. She's a vegan and I tried hers and I just fall in love with the recipe. If you have a sour sweet cravings, then this is fully going to satisfy. That is soury and creamy and sweet at the same time. And who doesn't love coconut? And this is what we're gonna make. We're gonna make it first in a non-vegan version and then after in a vegan version. So if you are a vegan, then you need to get to the second part of this video to watch the video. If you are not a vegan, then just stick with me for now and let's do these fat bombs. And if you are new to my channel, I do videos just like this one and many other recipe videos. I share my keto and intermittent fasting journey. I give tips and how-tos. So if you like what you see here, then stick around and hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of my video. And now let's make these delicious fat bombs. Alright, get a big bowl for yourself and we're going to mix all the ingredients together into this bowl. And as I said, first we're going to start with the non-vegan version of these delicious fat bombs. We need 120 grams of cream cheese. You can melt it a little bit so it's easier to work with it. Then you need 3 to 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And then we will add 1/4 cup of xylitol. And if you like it even more sweet, you can add more, but this is how I like it. And 1 cup of coconut flakes. And I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. And then we add 1/2 tablespoon of lime juice to this unsweetened. Good, and now we will mix this together. You can use a hand mixer, it's easier for you. Alright, this is the done dough. It's really a good consistency. And now I will do a taste try. Really good. I will add a bit more lime juice because I like it when it's more soury. But it's probably gonna be fine for you. But it's really up to a little bit of your personal taste if you would like to have more lime or not. And it's the same with the sweetener. I added 1 more 1/2 tablespoon of lime. Alright, let's see how it is now. Really good. Now I really like how sour it is. And now we are going to form little balls out of this and turn them into coconut and lime flakes. You need a bowl like this, some coconut flakes. Here you go. A fresh lime. And we are just gonna get a little bit color into this. Very good. Now we mix this together a little bit. You can add more lime skin just for the color as you wish. And now we just take a little ball with the spoon on your hands and you make a little ball out of it. It will be very sticky now. Don't worry about that. And then we will put it into the cocoa flakes and the lime and just turn them like this. And here you go. This is how it looks. It's very pretty, and now we will put it into a box. Good, and this is how you keep going with all the balls until all of them is in your other box, and then I will tell you what to do. Okay, so here are the balls we got from this amount of dough, 18 pieces, and I am just gonna give them a little bit of more lime to just sprinkle it on. It just looks nicer when it's a bit greenish. Alright, so here you go. This is a fully ready product. And now what you do, you put it into the freezer for about half an hour, so they get solid and then they are ready to eat. And now we are going to make the vegan version of the coconut lime fat bombs. I really hope it's gonna be good because my friend's vegan fat bombs are amazing. And I really hope I can mimic the same. but I can't fully promise that. Alright, and now we are going to make the vegan version. You need the same ingredients, just in a vegan version. So we're gonna use 240 grams of vegan cream cheese. Very good. And I am gonna microwave this a little bit because it's a bit too firm. So I will pop it in for like 30 seconds. Okay, good. Now it's a bit better consistency, is easier to work with this. I will just mash it a little bit. The strange thing that it smells cheese actually. Alright, and now we are going to add 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil to this mixture. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of xylitol, but it's really up to you how sweet you like this. I'm going to add 1 cup of coconut flakes, and I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of lime juice, unsweetened lime juice, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of vegan butter. Very good, and now we will mix this together. Okay, and now I will do a taste try. Very nice. It's very nice. I would even add a little bit more sweet to this, and I think this is what I'm gonna do. I will just sprinkle like a little bit more of the xylitol. Okay, good. So let's see if it is good. Good. I like it. And now we do the same. We're gonna make little balls out of it, roll them into coconut flakes and lime, and then into the freezer. Very good, and I am gonna get a box. Okay, good. So we can just form the balls. This is a bit wetter than the other version, but still works well. And I'm just gonna place them after each other. Alright, now all of them is done, and I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of lime on them, or lime skin, to make them a bit prettier. Alright, so here is the vegan coconut lime fat bombs, and they are going to the freezer as the other ones for about an hour. So the time is up for our cocoa lime fat bombs. And this is the non-vegan version, and this is the vegan version. Okay, non-vegan version, here you go. It's super nicely firmed. It's not too hard and not too soft. Ready for you. And then our vegan version, let's see. Yeah, they are firmed. They even a bit stick together, but yeah, they are firm, also not too soft, and you are ready to eat them. And now I am gonna try them, and we'll see which one is better. Alright, so now we're gonna try non-vegan version. Let's see. This looks so delicious. Look at this. Super sweet. So good. Sweet, creamy, sour. My kind of stuff. Okay, I have to leave this here and try the vegan one. These are the vegan ones, and now we'll see if as good as my friends are. Nice. I almost have to say maybe this dessert is better in the vegan version than in my own version, but both is awesome, so you cannot go wrong with any of them. And yeah, I hope you like this recipe. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye guys.